Hello, dear friends. Myself, Mr. Mantode Sir, Gokhale Education Society's JDC Ditko English Medium High School. Today, we are going to see first poem of Standard 6, that is Don't Give Up. Structure by Phoebe Carey. This is very inspiring and encouraging poem. First of all, we are going to read the poem and then see words to word explanation.
1.1 Don't give up. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. The sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the taste that tries you. The summary of the poem. This poem gives us a clear image of the importance of trying and trying again. If we have lost in a certain phase of life, we must not give up hope, but try again with a positive thinking. It may take many years for us to be successful in our life. We may have to cross many barriers. We may lose hope, but we must try and try again, because hard work with the constant efforts is the biggest key to success. Like the birds fall and hurt themselves when they learn to fly, but it helps them to reach even the highest parts of the sky. So even after falling, we must try again and again, because it will lead us to success.
Now, student friend, we are going to see stanza-wise explanation. First stanza: if you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Don't give means do not lose. Do not leave it. Though we lose, but never nervous and try to achieve the goal. Carry forward our hard work. Whatever great things have done by before, because of they have patience. Due to patience, we are trying our level best to do good things in better way. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little stronger. Here in this stanza, we can see small birds initially trying to fly like their mothers flying up in the sky, but they could not, because they are little ones. They are trying to fly but fall down many times, and due to it they become stronger and stronger. Next time they can fly up more than they tried before. The sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her. She has risen again and grown
loftier and prouder. In the third stanzas, though the sturdy oak tree means stronger tree, it is one of the strong by the wind bowing bent down, but after wind again rising, standing with high in the air as they were stand with it down. By easy work you beat, who the more will prize you, gaining victory from defeat. That's the test that tries you. Here fourth stanzas is telling us that with easy we are beat, so there is not a value of that hard efforts which we cannot get satisfaction, but it is you victory from defeat. Definitely we are satisfied, and that is only an examination test in your life. Here hard words, give up, it means lose heart and stop trying. Sturdy, strong, has known many a blast, has survived many blows of stormy winds. Loftier, taller and stronger. You beat, here it means you win.